Round the clock na nga ang paghanap sa tumakas na dating alkalde na si Alice Go, at para bigyan pa tayo ng ibang detalye sa balitang yan, makakausap natin live si Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission spokesman Director Winston Casio. Director, good morning. Director?
Hello, good morning.
Yes, Director Casio, nakapanayam ho ni Ruth kanina, yung Bureau of Immigration, na banggit nga ho nila doon na nasa Indonesia pa rin si Mayor Alice Go. Kayo ho ba sa mga counterpart ninyo, ano ho ang lead ninyo? Meron ho kayo kayang impormasyon sa kinaroroonan ng dating alkalde?
Well, confirm po namin na as per our counterparts in Indonesia, nandun pa po sa loob si Alice Go. Hindi pa po siya nakakalabas. So, we could definitely say na nandun pa siya sa loob ng Indonesia at pinaghahanap na rin po siya ng ating mga local counterparts po doon.
Mm-hmm.
So,
pero meron,
it's only a
sige
matter
po,
of time.
Director.
Come again?
Go ahead, Director. Go ahead po.
What I'm trying to say is, it's only a matter of time. Kasi ang ating mga Indonesian counterparts ay may mga lead sa mga movements po ni dismissed Mayor Alice Go. So, we're hoping that in a matter of hours or days, makuha po nila ito si Alice Go. Ang danger lang naman dyan sa Indonesia, just like Philippines, is napaka-porous ng borders niyan, no? So, sana lang na hindi siya makalabas by means of fast craft or what. But definitely, the Indonesian government is assisting us. Kaya it's only a matter of days or hours, baka makuha na natin po ito.
Okay, nabanggit ho ninyo kanina ayon sa mga counterpart ninyo na monitor naman nila yung movement ng dating Bamban Mayor. Meron ho bang pinaka-significant o yung pinaka-notable dito na sa paggalaw nga ho ni Mayor Go dyan sa Indonesia?
Unfortunately, I cannot disclose that kasi siyempre subject yan ng operations ng ating mga foreign counterparts doon sa Indonesia. And they may not, they will definitely like it kapag ma-disclose natin yung kanilang movement din ngayon.
Mm-hmm. Pero ito, attorney, bilang nabanggit nyo rin the other day, meron na kayong ibang mga tinitignan na posibleng kaso pa against Alice Go. Sa ngayon, ano ho ba itong mga tinitignan ninyong posibleng pang kaso now that a lot of things are unfolding?
Well, ang isang malaking kasong aming kinakasa that we were definitely hoping to file in the next few weeks. Naabala lang tayo na itong mahabang holidays natin. Pero we're definitely going to file a case of money laundering against her and some of her co-conspirators in Baupuland and Sunyuan, Hongsheng.
Mm-hmm. How about tax evasion kaya, Director?
Tax evasion is already that has already been filed by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. So ang isang malaki na lang na kakaharapin niya ay itong money laundering case. At by the way, yesterday we filed an opposition a comment against the counter affidavit that she has filed last August 14. Kasi nga sa ating paniniwala at kapag-alaman natin wala na siya sa Pilipinas noong July 17 pa lang. So he could not have definitely subscribe and swear to the counter affidavit that she has submitted, no? So pinapa-set aside po namin 'yon.
So malaki ho ba yung probability na mare-reject itong kanilang counter affidavit at ang kanilang motion to actually reopen the case?
Yes, of course, because she was never in the country during the time that she had supposedly sworn to the facts contained in the allegations contained in her counter affidavit. Kaya malabo ho talagang tanggapin pa po yun.
Are you also looking at the possibility, sir, ng possible accountability dito ng kampo ni Mayor Go, particular ng kanyang mga abogado na sila nga din mismo yung nagpatunay daw na personal na nagpa-notaryo itong dating mayor ng Bamban?
We will definitely look into that. Hindi ho maliit na bagay yung fraud na yan. That's another scam, so to speak, in this long saga with scamming activities involving guwaping, no? So, we'll definitely look into that para makita natin yung pananagutan kung meron man itong mga abogado. Because definitely, this is not a laughing matter.
Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. Again, Director Winston Casio, ang tagapagsalita ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission o PAO. Mga kapatid, Jess De Los Santos po, huwag magpahuli sa mga umaaksyong balita at napapanahong issue sa bansa. Para sa mas malawak na balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.